What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are here at the house. Just got a new product for you guys today. It's called From Rytech. It's actually for the GoPro, a mount for the Simpson helmet. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And for you guys, all you fans out there, say hi to Harley in the building. What's up, Harley? Say hi. It's been real hot, guys, lately, so, you know, Harley has not been on the motorcycle lately, so. All right? Look at him, look at him. Say hi. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the product here. It's from Rytech. Like I said, it's for the GoPro. So here is the GoPro, which has the mount right here. Rytech, this is the part that actually goes on the front of the helmet. And this is the part that goes on the GoPro. So what we're gonna do is open the product and I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so this is what you get in the product when you open it. This part goes for the GoPro. All right, and this part right here has the 3M tape, so you guys can actually put it on the front of the helmet. And then it comes with a, I guess, a cleaning alcohol thing, so you could clean out the front. All right, so now we're gonna mount this on here, and this goes on the GoPro. So all you people, like I said, if you have a Simpson helmet, this is what it's for. You know why they make it for this company and no other company makes it? Is because, I don't know if you can see, there is a little divider here for the Simpson helmets. So if you look at it from the side, it has like a little thing. So that's why this product has, as you can see, has a little curve to it that it goes right here. So only this company makes it. I've been looking all over, so I'm gonna show you guys how it works. Okay, as you can see here, I mounted on the product onto the mounts. So what it does is that you got to put it here. You could put it from anywhere from here all the way to down low. I'm trying to see if I can get a good camera angle of this. So I like to keep it up high because I have a higher windshield. If you have a low windshield, you could actually lower and put it nice and low. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna put the adhesive tape, and then here we go. All right, so this is the alcohol you get with the wipies. All you gotta do is technically is go like this. All right, clean out all the surface area just in case. Take it out. Nice and clean. Let it air dry. And then we're gonna take the adhesive tape from 3M and peel it out. Yeah. So what you gotta do is make sure it dries up. Don't put it on wet. All right. So you gotta do is go on the side here and make sure it's dead center. Boom, nice and high. You want to make sure that you compress it and make sure it's nice and straight. All right, there you go. So what you want to do is actually just take this part out because you don't want to put any type of weight on it. See that? Don't put any type of weight on it. Press it on there. You gotta wait at least 24 hours before you actually put the camera on and stuff like that. So I just put it on because I wanted to see where the camera angle was gonna be. So there you go. There you go. The company is called Rytech. They're from Canada, and that's the part. This goes on here, and you can. Now you don't have that bracket over here on the sides. All right. Okay, so that's the video for today. Say bye, Harley, of course. And I'm gonna link the link below on the description so you guys can see if you guys want to order it. I'm not sponsored by this company. I bought it with my own money. So I'm just trying to help out anybody who has a Simpson helmet. So any type of Simpson helmet, that is the one. It's not bulky or nothing like that. So see that? Not bulky at all. You see the ones from Chin Mount, they actually stick out a lot. So this one's actually very thin, very sleek, nice and easy. And it also, all right, guys, short video here. I will do a video for tomorrow. I will be in New York City. I think in Long Island with Cycle Fanatics. We're gonna be at a meet and greet. As I'm gonna also put the link below. I don't know exactly what the address, but I'm gonna put it right here, the address, so you guys can actually go tomorrow. We'll be there from 6:30 to 8:30. All right. See you guys tomorrow in New York. Make sure you come by, check us out. All right. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this product. And yeah. All right. Peace.